Welcome, welcome to Rahul Texture Art, a place where texture is not only seen, it is felt. Every canvas begins as silence, and then a simple touch, a gentle movement, a quiet heartbeat slowly transforms it into a story. Today, another beautiful journey is waiting, not only for this canvas, but perhaps for your own heart. While this previous artwork greets you, allow your mind to become still. Forget perfection, forget expectations. Simply enjoy the beautiful surprise waiting to unfold. Now, let us gather our little companions, the palette knife, the brushes, the magical cap, and a canvas ready to dream. Everything is ready. So, let us begin. Our very first layer is always special. It is invisible to many, but it quietly decides everything that follows, like strong roots hidden beneath a magnificent tree. And here returns our tiny magical cap, such a small tool, yet every gentle dance leaves behind a world of beautiful possibilities. Sometimes, great magic chooses the smallest hands. Now, watch carefully. The palette knife begins its graceful dance, sliding, turning, lifting, floating. Every movement creates rhythm. Every rhythm creates emotion. This is no longer spreading texture. This is painting with movement itself. And once again, our little magical cap returns with another surprise. Layer after layer, touch after touch, the canvas begins to breathe. Now, let us build something even more exciting. Overlapping, interlocking, double-layered textures, every ridge embracing another, every shadow protecting another. Depth meeting dimension, strength meeting elegance. The surface is slowly becoming a landscape you can almost touch. Now comes the bold chapter, heavy textured art. Fearless, confident, beautifully imperfect. The canvas no longer whispers. It speaks with courage. Ah, our little magician could not stay away for long. The magical cap returns again, leaving behind its tiny signature, a simple touch, an unforgettable texture. Now, we allow time to become an artist too. The drying begins. Sometimes, doing nothing is the most important step because patience quietly finishes what our hands cannot. Look closely, feel the textures, not only with your eyes, but with your imagination. Every peak, every valley, every tiny crack has its own silent story. If you could touch this canvas, you would hear its heartbeat Now, color enters like music. Olive green brings calm, dark brown brings strength, burnt umber brings warmth one by one. Each color finds its own home, not competing, but beautifully living together. A soft white coat arrives for the very first time, like gentle morning light, touching everything without asking to be noticed. Now comes the mystery. Black, not to hide beauty, but to create depth, because without darkness, light can never truly shine. Burnt umber meets a little black, then a little white, three simple colors, creating countless beautiful emotions. Now, let us invite more white. Watch carefully. Every touch softens the story. Every highlight awakens another hidden texture. The canvas begins to glow. And once again, a little more white, because sometimes the brightest beauty Arrive slowly, one gentle layer at a time. Now, a magical kiss of metallic bronze, just enough. Not too much, a tiny shimmer, like the last golden sunlight, resting quietly upon a mountain. Our second white coat returns, bringing balance, harmony, and fresh life to everything beneath. Now, watch the edges, gently touching every boundary, with white, separating, defining, honoring every beautiful texture. Sometimes, a simple edge allows the entire artwork to breathe. And now, the moment we have been waiting for, the final reveal. From an empty canvas to a world filled with depth, movement, light, emotion, and imagination. Every texture carries a memory, every color carries a feeling, every layer carries a piece of the artist's soul. Thank you for creating this beautiful journey with me. If today's artwork touched your heart, carry that feeling into your own creative world. Keep exploring, keep surprising yourself, keep believing that extraordinary beauty can begin with one simple touch. Until we meet again, keep creating